Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Joe Romano. This is my friend Gabriella, and it's time for the drawing for our $500 Teachers Lounge Makeover Prize. Every year we do this. It's my favorite thing to do. Schools that book the show by July 20th, their name went into this jar. We have 70, a little over 70 names inside this jar, and Gabriella is going to pick one name. That school wins a $500 Teachers Lounge Makeover. They can use the $500 to buy a new coffee maker, fix the jacuzzi, whatever. Okay? All right. Gabriella, are you ready? Now I'm going to shake them up. All right. Oh, this is so exciting. Reach in. Mix them up with your hand. Mix them up, Gabriella. Mix them up, and I want you to reach in and grab just one name. Make sure you grab only one. Let's see. This is it. Let's see who wins. Wow. Riverdale Elementary in Prince George's County. You just won $500 for your Teachers Lounge Makeover. Give it up for Riverdale Elementary. Wow. It's amazing. Congratulations. Bye, everybody.